The impact of food processing methods on nutrition. Raw versus cooked. Are you curious about the impact of food processing methods on the nutritional value of our meals? This video explores the differences between raw and cooked foods, and the effects of various cooking techniques on the nutrients they contain. Join us in this enlightening journey to understand how our food choices and preparation methods can affect our overall health and well-being. Food processing methods. Nutrition. Raw versus cooked. Cooking techniques. Health impacts. Welcome to our educational video, where we delve into the fascinating world of the impact of food processing methods on nutrition. Today, we explore the age-old debate of raw versus cooked foods and examine how different cooking techniques can affect the nutrient content of our meals. So let's dive in and discover the truth behind the nutritional value of our food. The nutritional differences between raw and cooked foods. The pros and cons of raw foods. Raw foods have gained popularity in recent years due to their perceived health benefits. However, it's important to understand that raw foods have both positive and negative aspects when it comes to nutrition. Nutritional benefits of raw foods: rich in enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. On the positive side, raw foods are rich in naturally occurring enzymes, which can aid digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. Moreover, they tend to be high in vitamins and minerals, which can support our overall health and immune system. Nutritional drawbacks of raw foods: potential nutrient loss, increased risk of foodborne illnesses. However, it's essential to consider the potential downsides of consuming raw foods. Some nutrients, such as lycopene in tomatoes or beta-carotene in carrots, are more easily absorbed by our bodies when cooked. Additionally, cooking processes can help destroy harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Cooking techniques and nutrient retention. Now that we've explored the advantages and disadvantages of raw foods, let's shift our focus to cooking techniques and how they affect the nutrient content of our meals. Nutritional changes during cooking process. Heat sensitivity of certain nutrients. Different cooking methods can lead to varying degrees of nutrient preservation or loss. For instance, steaming and boiling vegetables can cause some water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C, to leach out into the cooking water. However, steaming may be gentler and result in better nutrient retention compared to boiling. Effects of high heat on nutrient content: protein denaturation, vitamin degradation. On the other hand, high-heat cooking techniques like roasting, grilling, or frying can cause protein denaturation and vitamin degradation. While these methods offer delicious flavors and textures, they may lead to a reduction in nutrient availability. The optimal cooking method for nutrient retention. So, which cooking method provides the optimal balance between flavor, texture, and nutrient retention? Experts suggest that a combination of cooking methods, such as steaming, boiling, or microwaving, may help retain the highest level of nutrients in our meals. Highlighting nutrient retention benefits: steaming plus microwaving, boiling plus sautéing. By utilizing a combination of cooking techniques, we can retain the maximum nutritional value while also enjoying the flavors and textures we love. It's all about finding the right balance to create healthy and delicious meals. The impact of food processing on health and well-being. Considerations for a healthy diet. Now that we understand the impact of different food processing methods on nutrition, let's explore how our food choices can affect our overall health and well-being. Importance of a well-rounded diet for proper nutrition. Regardless of whether we choose raw or cooked foods, the key lies in maintaining a balanced diet that includes an array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. This ensures that we receive the necessary nutrients to support our body's functions. Personal choices and food preparation. However, it's also crucial to consider personal preferences and dietary restrictions when making food choices. Adapting food processing methods to suit individual needs. Fortunately, there are various ways to accommodate different dietary preferences and restrictions while still maintaining a focus on nutrition. Whether we choose raw or cooked, there are endless possibilities to create nourishing and enjoyable meals. Conclusion. In conclusion, the impact of food processing methods on nutrition is a multifaceted topic. Raw foods offer crucial enzymes and nutrients, but certain cooking techniques can enhance nutrient absorption and reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. By combining various cooking methods, we can retain the highest level of nutrients while enjoying the flavors we love. Ultimately, it's important to prioritize a balanced diet that suits our individual preferences and dietary needs to support our overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the impact of food processing methods on nutrition. We hope you gained valuable insights into making informed food choices for a healthier and happier life.